Sometimes I just wonder why anytime you just tell somebody about something, basically, and to be specific about cryptocurrency, they will just believe it's a scam. Ah, this one is a scam. Why are you going to be introducing me to scam? But most of you know quite well what happened on Bitcoin. Most of you also know what happened, even this current one that just happened about Notcoin. They still know, but you are still going to be telling some people and they will still be like, why are you telling me about cryptocurrency? It is a scam. I also introduced this coin some time ago on our YouTube channel, Firecoin. And on the comment section, I was seeing things like, other coins will still come out, water coin will still come out. See, before the advent of this Telegram launching crypto bots, do you know how many airdrops that used to come out in a day? Do you know? It used to be very, very numerous, but due to the advent of Telegram coming up with this idea to launch these airdrops or to host it on their platform, it has made so many companies who might have started their coin, who have maybe they have it in mind to start their coin. So they just want to host it on Telegram. So you just sometimes now some people will be like, doesn't this thing used to end? See how many we have been doing. Let me tell you the truth. You are still going to do more because you don't know how many used to come out in a day before Telegram came up with this invention and innovation. You don't know how many airdrops they used to host in a year. You don't know. But see the problem. If these airdrops starts to host this company starts to host their airdrops individually on their sites, possibly and probably most people will not know about it. Because now, okay, let me say I have money now, I want to start my own coin, so it's on the airdrop stage, and maybe my own is Bintu. If I start Bintu now and tell you people, see, go to my site bintu.com and go and start doing your airdrop or start running the activities, most people might not go because they don't know the site, they don't know anything about it. But through the help of Telegram now, all you just have to tell the person is go to Telegram and go and mine Bintu. Since you know that most people know about Telegram, they will just head directly to Telegram, and then from Telegram they can access your that's your site from Telegram directly, and then they can mine. So I just want to change the ideology that most people are having, saying that all these things are scam. You just have to know that most of these things that you see are not scam. Most of them are going to make so many people rich and wealthy. So I will just have to advise you that if you know what is good for yourself, just make sure you take advantage of this opportunity so that you won't be like you won't start crying and say that I could remember so year there was a time Telegram hosted many airdrops, and now I didn't participate in it. Just as many people are saying the same thing on Bitcoin. You understand? Even on Dogecoin, even on Notcoin, even this concluded Notcoin. So take these things very serious. This is one of the videos I saw on Firecoin. Let me just show you. These are some of the sponsors. You think they are scammers, you think they are broke. Just check out this video right now. So you can see that the person is mining Firecoin, and there's no way he's looking poor. Some people might even believe this coin is owned by Nigerians. The guy is not looking poor. Look at the environment, look at his car. These people have money. I've explained to you last time what airdrop is all about. So it's just a token given to people that join the project early in order to promote the project. You understand? So it's simply an airdrop. I don't know why most people don't still understand the sense here, the ideology here. I just wonder. I just wonder. So let me just head directly now to my own. Let me head directly to my Firecoin, and then let me show you some things what you have to do. So you can see I'm also mining my own presently. By the way, if you want to start mining now, I don't like the sound, so I'll be offing it. Yeah. So if you want to start mining, you can just check the description section of this video. You are going to see the first link there. That's what you are going to use to mine. Now, if you want to mine effectively, you understand? If you want to mine effectively, this is how you can mine effectively. You can see this thing here. This wood here is only 1,000, and you can see if I tap, it only gets 1 1 1 1. So as you can see, I'm tapping and it's getting it only 1. So I can boost all these things through here, which is written boost. So if I click on boost now, I can get a robot that will be doing it for me. The robot will do this work for me 8 hours. So after 8 hours, all I have to do is just to come right down to this place and claim my bonus. That is very simple. Then you can see that 1,000 power that I had is called wood right over here. So I can also increase my wood with 2,000 coins or 2,000 points, which I'll be doing right now in this video. So I'll just click on it and increase it. Okay. Okay, sorry, what I actually increased was the tap. It was a tap. So you can see now, if I tap, is no more 1, but is now 2 2. Then I'll still go back. I want to increase my power, so I can click here and then increase my power, and then also increase the speed. All right. So if I come back now, you can see that now it is now 2,000. It's no more 1,000. It's no more 1,000. All right. So I'll just go back to boost again, and then I want to get this robot. If you click on this robot, this is what it says here: earn Firecoin for 8 hours while you are not in the app, then open app to collect them every 8 hours. You understand? So I'll be getting this robot right over here. I'll be getting this robot. Okay, so I've gotten this robot. I'll just come back. So even if I tap or even if I don't tap, all I have to do is to come back after 8 hours, and then I'll just grab my free points depending on what I'm also having here. Depending on what I'm having here. See, these projects that you are seeing today, I just want everybody to know that this 2024 will be a year to remember, because most people will have to give this year as a testimony and say, I could remember the time I was very broke, but in 2024, due to what Telegram introduced, this is what made me rich. And there are still going to be people that will testify in years coming, and they will say that in 2024, I could remember the chance that I missed. It was Telegram airdrops. Telegram airdrops. There were so many that time that I believed they were scam. Let me just tell you this. These things, as you are seeing them, most of them are not scam. Most of them are not scam. And even if you claim it is scam, you don't have anything to lose. What do you have to lose? Eh? What do you have to lose? Because I just keep laughing because I know that most people will, even no matter what you say, most people will still say it's a scam. But I keep laughing because those people that will still say it's a scam, they are the ones that will still go outside and say, oh, I remember when Bitcoin was still so amount. I remember when Bitcoin was 500,000 naira. Why didn't I buy it that time? There are still opportunities now, but you don't want to open your eyes to see them. You don't want to open your eyes to see them. But anyhow, everything is good. Everything is clear. Let's just keep trying our best for people that wants to try their best and see their best work for them in future. So let's just keep our hands down, hands on desk, and keep working. So if you register now, make sure you come over to the end section and perform all the activities here. Follow them on X and also follow them on Telegram. Okay, and then come over to this boost. I've not boost. I need to boost this thing the way the way if I see it, I'll be happy and satisfied, and in which I won't be doing it in this video. I'll do it on my own time. Okay, so if you register, make sure you do these things. And lastly, if you can refer, you try to refer as much people as possible. If you can't, just be dedicated, keep tapping, and you are still going to cash out a meaningful amount. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll appreciate it a lot if you give this video a like. It's very important. I don't know why you guys are not giving my videos like. I don't just know. I want reasons why you guys are not giving my videos a like. Make sure you drop that like. I want to see it. That's what you are owing our channel now. Make sure you drop that like. After dropping that like, drop a positive comment right on the comment section. Drop a positive comment. And is there any other thing I need to say in this video? I don't think there's any other thing. So that's it, guys. Let's call it a day and see you in my next video.